Another problem, a flagpole and a tower stands 36 meters apart on a horizontal plane. A person stands successively at their bases, observes that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is twice that of the pole, but a point midway between their bases, the angles of elevation are complementary. Find the height of the tower. Now here, we have the flagpole. I already, sinulat ko yung solution para mas maka-minimize tayo ng oras. Kaya sinusulat ko yan, i-explain ko na lang. Here we are, the flagpole, and this is the rough sketch of the flagpole and the tower. And they are 36 meters apart, standing on the same base, okay? And the man, there is an observer which stand here on the base, for example, on the base of the pole, who observes the angle of elevation to the tower, which is equal to, we designate it as alpha, the angle of elevation. And when he goes to the base of the tower, angle of elevation to the top of the flagpole, we designate is at theta. Now, it is written here that at the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is twice that of the pole. So, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this is the tower, is equal to twice that of the pole. Yun ang nakasulat yan. Twice, doble, that of the pole. So, ang angle of elevation to the tower is alpha, and the angle of elevation to the pole is equal to theta, but alpha is equal to twice the theta. But a point midway between their bases, the angle of elevation are complementary. That means, sa gitna nitong dalawang ito, the angle of elevations of these two towers are complementary. That means, the total of their angles, the angle of elevation of to the tower and to the pole is equal to 90 degrees. So, the total of these two are 90 degrees. That means, itong will be equal to 90 degrees. This is right angle. So, the total of all this one will be 180 degrees because these two are complementary. That means, the total of this one plus this one will be equal to 90 degrees. So, nasa gitna, so naging 90 degrees ito kasi kung ang total nito is 90, that means this angle is equal to 90 degrees, which is the right angle. Now, dito, itong dalawang triangle na to, these two triangle are similar. Why? Dahil itong base ni ito dito 18. So isulat natin dito yung isang triangle which is this one. Ipatayo natin itong height na to which is equal to 18. So EE which is this is the one, EA, and this is the CA which is this one. Binaliktad lang, pinaano lang natin. Tag-reposition natin. So, itong H na to, ito yung 18. Tapos, yung isa namang triangle, kasi nasa gitna, observing at sa gitna, ito naman right angle na to, ang H rin dito is 18. Tapos, yung EB, which is this one, the 18, and BD, which is this ito ang hinahanap natin, yung BD, yung H. I-designate natin na H. Let BD is equal to H. Ngayon, kaya naging similar nga sila dahil ang geometric mean nila, the altitude of this one, we have the so-called altitude rule, which is this one is equal to this one. Pareho sila 18 at saka 18. 18 at saka 18. So, yun ang geometric mean nila. Kaya they are the similar triangle. Therefore, AC is divided by 18 is equal to 18 over BD. Dahil similar triangle sila, kaya yan ang formula natin. Similar triangle sila according to the altitude rule. The altitude rule states that AC, this side is over this height is equal to this height over this side. This is the altitude rule. Therefore, meron na tayong therefore, simplifying this one, BD is equal to 324 over AC because 18 times 18 is 324 over the AC. So, we have the BD. Now, in triangle A, B, and D, the angle is alpha. We designate it as alpha. A, B, and D, the angle is alpha. Therefore, if we will use this tangent alpha is equal to BD over the total distance, which is equal to 36. Another tangent we can make is on the theta. Tangent theta is equal to AC over the 36 kasi in trigonometric function, tangent theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Same is true with this is on the, what you call this on alpha and the other side, the theta. Therefore, dahil nakasulat dito that the angle of elevation of the pole is twice that of the angle of elevation of the tower is equal to twice that of the pole. That means angle of elevation to the tower, which is equal to alpha, is equal to twice that of the pole, which is twice the theta. This is the theta. This is the angle of elevation to the pole, which is equal to 2 theta. Therefore, we can use this one to see that tangent theta is equal to tangent to theta. This is the one we use. If we use the tangent function, tangent theta is equal to tangent to theta. Now, in trigonometric identities, the formula of tangent theta is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. This is in trigonometric function identities. Therefore, if we will substitute this 2 tangent 2 theta here, this will become tangent alpha is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta kasi sinusubstitute natin yung formula ng tangent 2 theta, which is 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Now, we have to substitute the values. Tangent theta is equal to BD over 36, which is BD over 36 is equal to 2 tangent theta. How much the tangent theta is equal to AC over 36 divided by 1 minus tangent theta. What is tangent? Is AC over 36. That means AC over 36 squared. Now, substituting the BD, we know earlier that BD is equal to 324 over AC. So, we substitute this BD into here. 324 divided by AC, which is the value of BD, divided by 36 is equal to this one, 36 will be 18. So, AC over 18 divided by 1 minus AC squared over 36 squared. Simplifying this one will result to AC is equal to 12 meter. Now, we already solved AC. This is the one. But, ang hinahanap natin is the height of the tower, which is BD. BD ang hinahanap natin. Therefore, from this equation, we can use this one. We can substitute the value of AC. Therefore, we can find BD. Therefore, BD is equal to 324 over AC. What is AC is 12. Therefore, BD is equal to 27 meter. Now, therefore, BD, which is the height of the tower, is equal to 27 meter.